The creative process is what moves humanity forward. Creativity brings progress, innovation, and new solutions to craft better lives and ultimately a better world. At Preco Incorporated, the creative process is what drives our business. We are constantly innovating, developing new solutions and new possibilities that move our industry forward. But we don't pursue this process simply for our own benefit, because at Preco, we create for others. We create to move your business forward. Preco Incorporated is a premier provider of innovative solutions for material processing. We are a leading designer and manufacturer of precision automated processing systems for high speed and high accuracy cutting, perforating, welding, and other specialized industrial processing applications. With engineered systems, contract manufacturing services, an applications development team, and a multitude of resources within our company, Preco is capable of providing creative solutions unlike any other manufacturer in the industry. Preco Incorporated was founded in 1976 as a small tool and die shop in Merriam, Kansas. From this modest beginning, the company grew to be one of the most successful hydraulic press manufacturers in the United States. With the addition of a laser division, the company gained expertise in laser systems design, manufacturing, and laser contract manufacturing services to solve problems not achievable with conventional processing. We have expertise with CO2, fiber, UV to the mid-infrared wavelength range, including harmonic lasers at 266 nanometers, 355 nanometers, and ND YAG lasers. Preco has over 30 years of experience developing laser, die cutting, lamination, and material handling systems. Our portfolio of patents, designs, and know-how of material processing and equipment innovations are a valuable resource for manufacturers looking for a knowledgeable partner. We also provide optimal solutions for your unique application requirements. Many of our systems are standard designs with unique modifications to meet the performance criteria of the customer. When other manufacturers say it can't be done, Preco finds a way to say, yes, it can. When you invest in a Preco system, you get more than a piece of equipment. You get our people. Our research and development team has over 3 decades of experience in improving labor efficiency, increasing material yields, and reducing setup times. Our material process and applications experts work with you to improve your process and meet your material needs. You get our installation, training, and field services, and our customer support team, all of which ensures that you have access to the best team, the best support, and the best practices in the business. At Preco, the creative process has pushed us to continually evolve and expand our product lines to a wide variety of processes with a broad range of applications. We serve a variety of different markets, including flexible packaging, medical, electronic, alternative energies, transportation, automotive, and general industrial. We offer both contract manufacturing services and systems, including automated flatbed and rotary die cutting, laser processing for flexible packaging, laser processing for metals and nonmetals, and high-accuracy lamination systems. We have thousands of these systems installed worldwide. At Preco, we are committed to the creative process, constantly striving to create unique products, features, and solutions. We are constantly working on making our solutions faster, more accurate, and more cost-effective. We commit to give you not only our innovative products, but also the very best people in the business. We hope that you will give our team an opportunity to put our creative energy to work for your unique situations and challenges. Let us create for you.